Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. First of all, I wanted to give one disclaimer friends that I've attempted UPSC prelims 5 times and I failed prelims 5 times, right? So now I'm making this video on request of our one of our friends in the comment section that please make a video on how a UPSC fresher should start. Here friends, I've said disclaimer first because I don't think I'm qualified enough, but since I have to give respect for that person and also I just wanted to make this video not only because that I just want to speak about freshers or beginners, but I also want to tell few things from my experience. Let's see, I'm making mistake videos, those series, but they are negative things. But at least I should tell few positive things, right? So I think this is the platform. That is, this is the video where I can open up on it, right? Now let's get into the video. Dear friends, usually we neglect NCRTs. Nowadays, it has become some sort of fashion that few toppers they say that no need of any NCRTs. But friends, uh, I am from engineering background, so I don't know any, not even basics of these things like polity, geography, all these things. So people like me, how they can understand those subjects, right? So these are things where we get a great help. NCRTs they are designed especially for the age of in the teenage, right? So even we are also at that point, at that stage only. We are very much ignorant of that humanity subjects. So these forms the base of understanding for us. And one most important thing is that we are very fortunate enough that UPSC is giving direct questions from NCERTs as well. At least few questions, like at least 3 or 4 questions. And in geography, usually questions come from NCERTs only. Right? And art and culture also questions are coming from NCERTs. Even in environment also questions are coming from NCERTs. Right? And even in history also, modern Indian history, NCERT is there. Even from there also, questions are coming. Right? So please don't neglect NCERTs. So start with NCERTs. Where are freshers? Please start with NCERTs from 6 to 12. Okay? You'll understand the subject in the better way, and also it will be helpful in the preparation as well. Right? And next thing what we have to do, we have to do PYQ analysis simultaneously going through standard books. For example, after completing NCERTs, you start with one subject like polity or geography, right? Before reading the standard book, first see the PYQs, that means prelims, and PYQs of mains. At least topic wise. Topic wise also segregation is there. No, there are a number of books in the market. You can take them, right? And you look at the solutions. Look at the important topics which UPSC is focusing on, and do keyword analysis. Like see, there are 4 options, right? And sometimes see in the entire question, definitely UPSC may have asked about many things. So see what are the important keywords present in that question and do the keyword analysis, right? And also try to find other dimensions of it, right? So UPSC has asked about pollutants. Maybe it has asked about phosphor, mercury, sulfur. So next time it may ask about fluorine. So this way we we have to increase the dimensions, right? And this forms the base how to read the standard books, right? If we know the important topics, definitely while reading standard books, we'll focus on more on that, right? And one more thing, friends, and target. I think Sudarshan Lodha sir is there, no? Target UPSC. He has released some PYQs books, right? And in that, I came to know that one of my colleague, that means Assistant Commissioner of Labor, he said that that book is very good, very good. With see all these things, he has already done it. He said that he has done everything in that book. So if you want, if you are not interested to make notes on yourself, you'd either purchase those books. I don't know. I don't have first-hand information of it, right? So maybe someone may have purchased and they may have given any reviews in Google, or you can find any review video of that. So you can supplement it that way also. If but my suggestion is you do it on your own, right? And now the most important thing, friends. Usually we neglect it very much. We think that okay, let's do CSAT in the end, right? And also people who think themselves that they are overqualified for CSAT. That people like engineers, mathematics, who have who are good at mathematics, definitely definitely they should not neglect CSAT also. Why? Because of that overconfidence only, there are many people, even whose optional is mathematics also, they have disqualified. Why? Because you see friends, when we are attempting the examination, no, sometimes we feel that this question is easy enough, but it is taking a lot of time. Because of our ego, we don't leave that question. It takes like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but they are very, very important. Right? Generally, there are few people who don't even attempt passages. Even I was one of them. Right? But we have to attempt passages. Why? Because they are easy. They'll be giving easy marks for us. Sometimes if math paper comes very hard, aptitude paper comes very hard, definitely they'll be the very good fallback option. Like in 2023, it has happened. Right? So please, CSAT paper is make and break. And I hope you have watched the video of UPSC chairman where he was speaking that CSAT paper, keeping it uh, qualifying paper, is justified. Right? He is not backing. He is not going back with that decision. He's telling that definitely CSAT will be a tougher paper only. Right? But we should be very much thankful to UPSC that it is not added in the merit. Right? So CSAT is a game changer. Please don't neglect that. Even who are engineers also, even who are good at mathematics also, please give due respect to CSAT. Right? Now see friends, optional. See, as we discussed, CSAT is a game changer. That means uh, eliminator. This optional is there, no? Optional is the hero of the examination. Right? Optional along with essay, along with ethics, it is the rank decider and service decider as well. Even if you are getting rank, people who have got good marks in these three subjects will be getting better rank, better service. Right? So decide your optional based on your interest. Right? And also try to read newspaper, that editorials will be there, no? You'll be getting some insights of how an essay it can be built in the structured way. You can do it by yourself, and also give very much important to ethics, and also write answer writing as well. Right? Answer writing of ethics. Now see friends, we should be mains ready by December at least. There are 7 papers, right, excluding language papers. So at least 5 papers should be ready. Of course, this point is said by Shivin sir only. I think I should not repeat it again and again. I am not qualified enough to speak his words. I just quoted Dr. Shivin sir's statement here. Right? We should be main ready by December. Now, answer writing, friends. At least if you are not uh, well versed with answer writing, that means if you are literally a beginner, if you may feel, you may have that inferiority complex that I cannot write, or you may have that self doubt. Then what you do? Either you take one question, do brainstorming. It, are you able to frame a sentence like introduction? Are you getting any few points, at least 2 to 3 points in your mind? Are you are you able to think of any conclusion? Right? So after doing brainstorming, just use AI chatbot. You give question to that. You said that please give me introduction, please give me conclusion, please give me GS specific keywords like that, good examples and relevant points like that. You give the prompt, and it will be giving you the points. So from there also you can learn how an answer writing can be written and structured. Right? AI can become a better best friend for you in this preparation. Right? Now see friends, current affairs, newspapers, magazines, these are necessary evils. Right? Definitely we have to read, but we should not overdo that. Right? We should know the boundaries. Take one source, please follow that only. If you are following current affairs PT365, follow only PT365. Right? You trust only one source. If you are following MUDIT or current affairs notes, please follow that. If you are following Understand UPSC Focus magazines, please follow only that. If you are following Vision IS monthly magazines, please follow only that. Right? When you confine your sources, definitely the success rate will be very much. Okay, please don't change sources time to time, because it creates some sort of confusion in the mind, and information also will not be retained very much. Right? So definitely know your boundaries, stick to one source and do it. Don't overdo current affairs. Right? Now see, we usually spend very much thousands of rupees on test series, but we neglect PYQs. Right? You write test series, write full length test. right, at least 5 to 6 full length sets will be there, no, or set of full length tests will be there, right? You try to solve full length tests, but definitely focus more on PYQs, the themes especially. What is asking from PYQs only, we could able to find the examiner's mindset, what UPSC is focusing on, how UPSC frames the question, how UPSC is framing wrong options, how that how we can use tricks there, right? And most important thing, friends, see there are a beginner kits given by many other institutes, so you can take it for free from them also. Like even textbook is giving a beginners free, right? Even Sarthia is also giving free resources for beginners, right? Even Understand UPSC has also given free resources for the beginners kit, so you can follow them as well, right? So these are the basic things we need to do. And of course, coaching or self-study, all these things, there are many people who have dealt very detailed in that. So what I just want to give you one point in on that. See, it is like a driving school, friends. We can see, if you want to learn a car, there are two options. You can learn at least go make it three options. Like you can learn it by yourself, but it is very hard, but it is also an option. Or else you can go to a driving school. He'll be helping you, right? Even that is also one thing. Or else you don't need to go to anyone. You can have your own mentor, and you can learn from him. Right? Similarly, coaching is also like same thing. If you go to driving school, right, you'll be making familiarizing with that driving of car. But definitely you will not learn from driving school. It will only help halfway only. Right? It will give the self confidence, it will give the direction how to do all this, no, do's and don'ts you will be getting. But it does not help you unless and until you practice. So definitely we should be in the driver's seat, and we should be catching. We should the steering should be in our hand, and also controls also should be in our hand. Until and unless we get the controls in our hand and in the premise of us, we cannot drive the car. So when you are going to driving school, the controls will be in the control of that person also. Right there, your role is very limited. Definitely, even if you take coaching also, our role is very much there. We have to practice, we have to revise, right? So definitely, self-study becomes the key for the success in UPSC, right? So I hope I have addressed all the questions. If I have missed anything, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make a part two video if needed, right? Or else I'll give clarification in the comment section, right? So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching till here. And please, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the content. Please give your valuable feedback in the comment section. And if you feel this video and this channel is worthy, please share to your friends and family who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Jai Hind.